Okay, next we're going to go take our little battery, drop it into the battery tray, take the battery door. We're just going to trial fit it. Make sure it fits in there, nice and snug. It's perfect. Alright, and this is actually the bottom of the plane. So we're going to flip it over, okay? And at this point, we're going to bring our nose cone over and see what the nose cone looks like. So you get a trial fit on the nose cone. If you notice, when you put the nose cone, the corners here are going to have to be cut down a little bit. And so we have to try to kind of fit that in the right place. Now if your cone, you just spin the cone until you think that it fits straight. I think this looks good right there. Okay, so now we're going to take some hot glue and right on the front, hot glue that right in so that if you notice the cone sticks out a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, and a little bit here. So there's going to need to be some sanding. Let that melt right in. And then what we'll need to do is take the X-Acto knife and cut off some of those and round off a little bit of these edges. Just a little bit. Just so it looks a little bit contoured. And then we'll use some sandpaper to round that off. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do next. And we'll see what this looks like in a few minutes. Okay, now we've got our nose cone. If you notice the little shavings here, this is all I took off of the edges here with the X-Acto knife. And there's some sandpaper to just sand that down. And keeping in mind, the battery tray, which is on this side, or the battery door, is just snug in there. Okay? And then I just took a X-Acto knife and beveled the edges here. That's going to be the edge that meets the back here. So that goes into place like that. I'm going to take our battery out for now. And the cone, take this trash out. Look at that. Looking really nice. Alright, so now we're going to hot glue right into here. We're going to put the glue on this surface here, not the door, and then we're going to line it up so it's even with the door bottom and even at the top here, so you can see how it's going to fit. Looks like real nice in there. Okay, so let's see if this thing will stand up on its own. It won't. Okay, so now I'm going to just go ahead and get ready with the glue. Remember, not on here, just this one. Okay, take this and drop it down on location. Approximately line it up a little bit. Let me get a look at it, make sure it's straight. Alright, looks pretty good. I'm going to take the tray out, or the door, the battery door. So that melts in place. And we're going to have to come back a little later with an X-Acto knife and trim this off here, a little bit here, a little bit here, and then we'll need our radio to set this in. Now remember, we got an access hole here for the harness that's got to go in for the battery. So let's let that set, and then we'll come back and finish the job.